Hey everyone, Matt here, Executive Director of Sustain Ed Farms, and I wanted to explain to you how you can make a bug hotel at home with some items that you can find around. And if you got our summer activity kit, these items are already in your basket. So, pollinators are really important for garden health and just for our society in general. And one of the issues is our pollinator bugs don't have places to live as we as humans continue to develop land and construction or people push them out. And so one way you can attract pollinators back is by simply planting flowers that are fragrant and bright colors, and those will attract the bees and other pollinators, but we also want to provide them with a place to live. I'm going to show you today how to quickly and easily make a little bug hotel. What I have done is I have some cardboard tubes that I've cut to about 6 inches, and I have 7 of them, and I created kind of like a honeycomb thing by arranging these with 6 on the outside, 1 on the inside, and then putting a rubber band around them. I am going to then take some twine or rope and actually tie this around the cardboard tubes and then take the rubber band off, because I want to have all natural items outside, so as this decomposes, I don't have to worry about something like a rubber band getting into my garden. So once this is tied, you can take the rubber band off before you hang it, and I'll just wait to do that. And then next, I have a bunch of bamboo sticks. Now, the reason that I picked bamboo is you can kind of see that many of them have holes in the center. It allows space for bugs to bore in there and create their homes. Now, if you don't have access to bamboo, that's completely fine. You can go find any kind of stick outside. And with some help from a parent, you could drill holes into them, or even if there aren't holes, bundling sticks like this together are going to create little gaps where bugs can choose to live. So what I'm going to do is take these bamboo sticks and place them inside the cardboard tubes. And I'm going to continue to do that until all of them are packed in there really tightly. Now, as you're doing this, you can vary up the different sizes. You can also add in leaves into here, and you're basically trying to create an environment that's going to be good for those bugs. So what I did was just the center row, and this is what it would look like as you pack them in. And so you can see where these are moving a little bit, so I'm going to try to find some smaller sticks on a walk, and so that these don't move much at all. And then I'm going to continue to walk around and find some leaves, and I'm going to pack leaves in these two, and then I'm going to find some different types and sizes of sticks to pack in these as I walk around the park near where I live. And then when I'm done, I could either set this on the ground near my garden, or I could choose to hang it. And that's probably what I'll do, is I'll hang it from a tree very near my garden. That'll be great to attract those bugs and give them a place to live near the garden. So that's how you make a quick and easy bug hotel. We hope you have fun and you track all the different insects that are coming towards your garden. We'll see you soon.